What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to import Twitter or X to Bluesky. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand how we can do this. If you'd like to import your followers from Twitter or X to Bluesky, we're going to go over to our browser extensions store. I'm using the Microsoft Edge browser and we're currently on the Microsoft Edge add-ons web store. This could be applied for any browser you're using. So when you get to your web store, you're going to search for Sky Follower Bridge. Right now we're here on Skyfollower Bridge, and as you might have noticed, I already have it on my browser. In your case, you'll need to add to Chrome or add to Edge browser, as the case may be. So when we've installed Skyfollower Bridge web extension on our browser, we're going to go over to our X or Twitter and log in. So after logging in on our X, we're going to go over to our Bluesky. So here on our Bluesky, we're going to go over to settings, click on privacy and security. And here we have app passwords. We're going to click on it. And then we'll need to add an app password. We're going to click on it. We could give this any name, such as transfer. And without clicking on this checkbox, you're going to click on next. And this will generate a password for you. You're going to make sure to copy this password using the copy password to clipboard option. So now you can see it's copied. We're going to go over to X. So when we get back to X, we're going to go over to our profile. We're going to click on those we're following. And when we're on our following page, we're going to go over to our Sky Follower Bridge web extension, put in our handle or email, and then we're going to paste in the app password, which was generated. And then we're going to click on Find Bluesky Users, and you're going to have to give it a few moments to detect X users on Bluesky. And right here, you can see the result of Sky Follower Bridge scanning and detecting all the users of X on Bluesky. If you look over to the left, you can see we have up to 17 users. And now you have the option to add every user at a time. Alternatively, if you'd like to follow everyone you have on your X or Twitter on Bluesky, you can go over to the bottom left corner and click on Follow All. You're going to have this prompt and click on OK. And you can see it does this automatically. You're going to wait for the process to complete. And as you can see, everyone is followed. We're going to test if this works by searching for Wonder of Signs. We're going to go to our profile. And as you can see, we have Wonder of Signs being followed here on Bluesky. So this is how to import Twitter or X to Bluesky. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.